Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a jig so I can position or place the buttons on this jersey, so don't go anywhere. So we have to do a bunch of baseball jerseys, and measuring the buttons where they're gonna go with something like this takes forever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a couple of jigs so I can mark the buttonholes where they go on these jerseys right here. So let's get to it. We're gonna be using the Cam 5 laser, but let me turn everything on. Let me turn the laser on, everything on, so we can cut the jigs. So we can mark those buttons. Let me zoom in. I know it's kind of hard to see the screen because it's all white, but that's kind of like what the jigs are gonna look. It's just a strip with the, on one side is gonna have the buttonhole, and on the other side it just has a little, like a little dot. Let me turn this into a solid color so you can see what I'm talking about. That's exactly what they're gonna look like. See that? It has that, the little buttonhole, and on the other side it just has a small dot, and this is actually where the button's gonna go, and that's for the actual buttonhole. Again, just to make it easier for me to mark them all and then just place the buttons. But we need it to be in a wireframe like this, otherwise the laser, if you like when you saw it all completely black, that's engraving. So I need just a wireframe so the laser can cut it. Okay, so as you can see, I already cut some, but let's send, now let's cut this ones right here. And that's it. That's all it takes. All I gotta do is just get this little strip, and as you can see, the holes are already in there. But that's it. I mean, I already got my buttonholes where they're gonna go. Then if we grab the other one, this one, again, it just has those little holes in there for me to mark them. It does have a protective film that we're gonna remove. This material, I believe it's called PETG, and this is great to make jigs, to make different things. Like for example, we sell bleaching templates. That's what we make them out of. It's completely clear. See that? Like you can't even see it. But again, it's great for making jigs like this. Got a protective film, and you can see it right next to each other. See it completely clear. And this one, it looks like it's frosted, but it's the protective film that's in there. Okay, so now if we grab a shirt, for example, this one right here, the one on the right-hand side of the shirt, that's where the buttons go, and the one on the left-hand side, that's where the buttonholes are gonna go. So then we take the one for the buttons, and then we just place it exactly where we want it. Right there, and I'm gonna put a mark, and let me move it over so it's right in the center. Put a mark right there. This is a disappearing ink, so don't worry about making marks on the shirt itself. So now we have our button marked, so now we need to mark the buttonhole. And the buttonhole, I'm gonna place the jig right where we want it, and I'm gonna make a line across where I need it. So this one, I'm just moving it over so it's right in the center of those two lines. Mark my line. So then now let's go put the buttons and the buttonholes on this shirt so you guys can see how we do it and how much faster this actually is gonna be. just like that, and the machine will actually sew and cut the hole. Then we can continue on. I like to do it from the bottom. The bottom of the shirt, work my way up. And that's how easy it is to put buttonholes on the shirt. See, the machine will actually sew and cut the hole. So now let's do the actual buttons. What we do is just put this button in this machine. And then since we already have those little marks, we're gonna place it underneath. And just like that. We'll do this other one. Right there, that's it. Let me do this blue one so you guys can see it. So you saw how easy it was for us to put the buttons in the buttonhole using this jig. So I think that's a time saver. That's pretty good. I mean, look at that. It's pretty cool. And you know that your buttons are gonna be exactly in the same spot every time you do a shirt like this. So thank you for watching, guys. This is it for this video. Like always, I always enjoy making these videos, guys. If you guys need anything like this, let me know. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys don't have a laser, I suggest you get a laser. You saw how much easier it is to like just have tools to work, and you can make the actual tools, because this is a tool, right? The proper name will be a jig, but this is a tool. And when you make your own tools to work the way that you want them to work, it's amazing. Like, it's easy, it's a no-brainer, it's a time saver. But however, if you guys want to do something like this, get yourself a laser. Check out Count 5 Lasers USA. And if you guys are in the market for something like this, and if you are gonna buy from Count 5, make sure you use code Liberty01. I don't know if they're still doing it, but they used to give you guys a discount. So it's pretty cool. Make sure you check out Count 5 Lasers. I'm gonna continue on marking the shirts because I have to turn them in. They're overdue. They were supposed to be due yesterday. I was supposed to turn them in yesterday, Monday the 3rd. Today is Tuesday the 4th. So I'm a day late. So I gotta get on and put all these buttons on these shirts. Thank you, guys. It's a pleasure like always. Make sure you subscribe and ding the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos like this. If you want to see other videos, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, guys. I will see you later. God bless you. Adios.